for joining in today. And today I actually have a full-length tutorial. So this is a little bit of a longer video for me, but I wanted to post a free one here on YouTube. Normally I post my longer tutorials on Skillshare, but again, this is just something fun for fall. And I have two different pumpkins here in a nice fall scene with some leaves, and there's a little bit of some bright colors here. I chose two different shades of blue for the big pumpkin, and then the smaller one is a little bit more traditional with the like a creamy shade and then the bright orange stripes. And for those who are curious, I am using the Art Philosophy set there. It is the Essence one. And I purchased mine off of Amazon, but you can also purchase it from their website as well. So like I said before, I'm just starting off with the lighter blue here, and I'm dropping in little bits of up there in the far corner. It's close to a viridian. So if you have a color close to that, like a nice bluish green, that's what I'm using for some of the shadow areas. And then later on, after I let it dry up a little bit, I'm going to be using that deeper purplish blue for the actual like creases in the pumpkin to create the dimension. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to let the big blue pumpkin dry up a little bit, and then I'm going to move on to the smaller pumpkin. And I just mixed like a little bit of the golden color with some white, or you can just water it down to get that nice creamy color. And I'm going to put this pretty much all over except for the stem, and then I will be waiting for that to dry up a little bit, and then I'll drop the like a deeper orange in the creases, so it looks like I said before, the pumpkin with the stripes on it. And if you want to tone down the orange a little bit, you can mix it with a tiny bit of the golden yellow, or I think the color up there says Namaste, but it's close to like a yellow ochre or a raw sienna. They would be some other examples. And for the leaves, I mixed my own olive green there, and then there's the deeper viridian, and then just the regular shade of green. I think it's referred to as Nirvana in this kit. So whatever you have close for your 3 different shades of green will work. And you'll see me using a tiny bit of the golden shade again, the golden yellow, and a little bit of brown as well for all the fall colors. as I'm getting closer to the end here, I'm just looking around and seeing where there's some like empty spaces, and I'm just going to fill them in with some leaves. And again, just going back and forth between all the different colors so everything doesn't look the same, and switching up the sizes as well. And I think it's fun to do like the little pieces of like vine there, you see me, like going real skinny. They're nice fillers as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I did end up taking out some pieces because it was way too long. It was over 20 minutes, but you still got the point of everything. So thanks again for joining in.